Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this absolutely stunning luxury folding EDC knife from Mcusta. This is the Kasumi. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this absolutely gorgeous folding EDC knife from Mcusta and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Mcusta for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Now, before getting started with the size comparisons, just thought I'd point out that this is part of Mcusta's Shinra series, so you can take any one of their lines and turn them into the Shinra series. They have a lot of common features. You're going to have the Sanmai 3-layer Damascus VG10 core blade, as well as Damascus handles. But for now, let's take a closer look at this one. Let's begin with the quick size comparisons next to a smaller permanent marker, just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Let's have a look at it from this perspective, going vertical. Here it is with the blade open. And back to vertical. Then overall length with the blade open from the tip here to the end of the handle, just about 6.5 inches long. Let's take a quick measurement with the blade closed. Overall length looks like it's just about 3 3/4 inches long with the blade closed. Let's have a quick look at the top line here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. Now, this is a frame lock, so it's going to be a lot thinner than a liner lock. So here's a pair of chopsticks. Normally, liner locks are about the same thickness as that. But as we can see, it's probably going to be more in line with the smaller side of a pair of chopsticks. Let's bring the ruler back in. And it looks like it's just over 1/4 of an inch, so about 5/16 of an inch. Let's have a look at the thickness of the spine here, and that is a chunker. Normally drop point blades are pretty thick, but you can probably fit about 2 US quarters on there. Absolutely. Let's get this on the scale so you get a better idea for how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. All right, coming in at around 2.6 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 2.6 ounces might feel like, well, if you got a couple of AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 3 of those. Let's have a look at your opening mechanism. We've got dual thumb studs, right? You can open this with your right or your left thumb. And look at this beautiful anodizing on here. Or it could be case hardened. It's kind of a rainbow purple color. We do have an anodized pin riding on Teflon washers, so the opening mechanism is very smooth. And this is also a frame lock, so you can see the frame here has an arm that swings right over to the base of the blade there. To close it, you just move that on the side. And this is small enough, so one-handed operation, absolutely easy. Let's have a look up front at the blade. Drop point blade, thick, coming down to a nice fine point. So you're going to have a lot of mass behind that edge. It's going to be a very strong blade. Beautiful Damascus pattern, and that is legit. It's not just lasered on there. Right, we have Damascus layers on the outside and a VG10 core in the middle. VG10 used to be a super steel back in the day, but still is an excellent choice for steel. 15% chromium is going to give you really good corrosion resistance, and it's easy to sharpen, easy to maintain, and it takes a really fine edge, and your edge retention is going to be really nice. So the way you make Damascus is you basically have 2 types of whatever steel, and you tend to just stack them how you want. So we're just going to go alternating like this, and you can go as many layers as you want. You can fold it over as many times as you want, but basically you get your billets, you mix them up, you weld them together, and then you forge them, and that's what makes that wavy pattern. So let's say now you have your 2 Damascus billets here. Now you're going to put your VG10 in the middle. You're going to stack them together, weld them together, and then forge them. That's how you get Sanmai 3 layers. You also have a sharpening choil here that'll help you sharpen that edge all the way from the tip down to the base of the blade here. And if I tip this sideways, you can kind of see that this is not so much as a flat grind, but a little bit of a hollow grind. There's a small curvature here. So this is going to be a really nice slicer. Let's have a closer look at these gorgeous handles. Right, this is Damascus steel. They acid etched this to bring out the waves after the forging process. Love the way they did this back here. And again, I don't know if this is anodizing, but I like the way that it's dark, kind of fades into a lighter color and just blends in with the stainless frame in the front. Little lanyard hole in the back. No backspacer, just standoffs. And again, I love how it gives it a nice open and light look. No pocket clip here, guys, so this is going to be a very minimal design. But look at how this hammer texturing in here catches the light on top of that Damascus. This is an absolutely gorgeous looking knife. When it's closed up, it kind of looks like an insect. Like this is the eye here. Or maybe it looks like an insect wing, like a dragonfly wing. But absolutely stunning. And they also include this carry pouch. This is called a Nishigen. Absolutely gorgeous woven pouch. And that's the carry. Your Kasumi. Once again, guys, this has been the Kasumi from Mcusta. If you're looking for a new EDC knife that's small, compact, easy to carry, has really unique features, and a really good blade steel, all while maintaining that high standard of quality from Japan, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from Mcusta, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.